Okay,
So hold
so
on, hold on. Can you give me understanding what is an assumable VA home loan? I don't necessarily
absolutely,
understand.
for sure. So now, yeah, with an assumable loan, so let's say you bought your property 2 years ago, right? So you bought your
Hmm.
property a couple years ago. Well, now we're in a whole nother year. Let's say you bought it in 2019, and now you're looking to get a bigger, better property, move, or you just relocating, or whatever the case, and you're selling that property. Let's say you
Hmm.
bought the property for 400,000. But now you paid it down a little bit, and you've done that, and now you only owe 350,000 on that loan. Okay, so you can, let's say your property is still valued at 500,000 is what you want to sell it for. You could work out with that veteran where they assume your current loan of 350,000. Now, working out the difference of the price that you're charging is going to be totally up to you on how the veteran is going to, how the person that qualifying for that purchase is going to pay for that. Some people might have an extra 150,000 cash laying around that's going to put down on the property, right, and give it to you that way.
Uh-huh.
Other people might use like a second loan option to get the funds for that amount. Now, the benefit of that is that your loan, because you got that in 2019, right, might be 3.5%. So, and that's going to be a bulk of their loan, right? So they're going to have a loan for 350,000 for 3.5%. Then all they have to do is, with that difference, it might be at a higher interest rate of 6% or so, but that's more feasible for them to do that than to have an entire $500,000 loan at 6% or 7%, doing it that way.
True indeed. That's there we go. Creative financing. Got to get in how you can. But let me ask you. So it must be veteran to veteran, right?
Now, the thing about that is that it works very favorably if it's veteran to veteran. However, you can do it to a non-veteran. However, the caveat with that is that they're taking over your eligibility, right? So if you were trying to purchase
Mm.
another home and you needed your whole eligibility to do so, then you wouldn't have it. So,
So but before you continue, so basically, if as a veteran, they will be assuming that loan, but then they're taking my eligibility where I cannot purchase another home, correct?
exactly,
Under the VA loan. Under the VA
under
loan.
the VA loan. They're
Okay.
taking a percentage of your eligibility to purchase another home under a VA loan.
Okay.
So you might be in a situation where you might not need to purchase another home under a VA loan, and you can pass it to a non-veteran. So if you were looking to do it that way, but if you're doing it veteran for veteran, then it would go under the new veterans eligibility, and that's the cleanest way to do it. Makes it a lot more risky if you're transferring it to a non-veteran.
Understood. Understood. Man, that was great news, man. Listen, I personally, I'm a veteran myself, and I did not have any information on assumable loans, the VA being able to assume loans. So hopefully, potentially, I can assume a loan or two. But if I can go ahead and partner with you, we'll see how we can work that out. But in other news, but I really appreciate all that information. At the end of the day, listen, we're here to service the community. Any veterans, any non-veterans, give us opportunity to be able to put you in the home that you desire. Obviously, Mr. Jones here is going to have the link below and the information below. Please reach out to us if you have any questions on any type of not only assumable loans or any other real estate questions or home loan questions that we could be able to provide.
Absolutely, man. Thanks for watching the segment. We out. Peace.